In this video, we'll understand what AI red teaming actually means, why it matters for modern AI systems, and how experts test models by thinking like attackers. We'll also pause for short quizzes so you can check your understanding as we go. AI red teaming is a proactive way of testing AI systems before real attackers or harmful users can exploit them. The idea is simple. Instead of waiting for problems to appear in the real world, expert teams deliberately try to break, manipulate, or misuse the AI in controlled conditions. This helps organizations discover weaknesses early and reduce damage before deployment. Red teaming matters because AI systems, especially generative AI, can fail in unusual ways. A model may follow unsafe instructions, reveal hidden information, or produce harmful content. By identifying these issues in advance, organizations can improve security, make systems more resilient, and better align with ethical and responsible AI expectations. Traditional security testing usually focuses on software bugs, network weaknesses, or access control issues. AI red teaming goes beyond that. It also examines how the model behaves when users try to confuse it, manipulate it, or push it into unsafe responses. This is especially important for generative AI, where the risk is not only technical compromise but also harmful output. One major concept in AI red teaming is prompt injection. This happens when someone tries to overwrite or interfere with the model's original instructions. A direct injection is placed inside the user's own prompt. An indirect injection comes through external content the AI reads, like a web page, document, or malicious PDF. In both cases, the attacker is trying to hijack the model's behavior. Now that we've covered core concepts, let's test what we've learned so far. Here's quiz number 1. See if you can get it right. Question 1. What is the main purpose of AI red teaming? The correct answer is to uncover vulnerabilities before real attackers do. AI red teaming is a proactive process meant to identify risks and weaknesses before they are exploited in the real world. Question 2. How does AI red teaming differ from traditional security testing? The correct answer is it also tests model behavior and unsafe outputs. Unlike traditional security alone, AI red teaming also examines manipulation, harmful responses, and generative AI-specific risks. Question 3. Which statement best describes prompt injection? The correct answer is overwriting a model's existing instructions. Prompt injection is about interfering with or replacing the model's intended instructions through crafted inputs or retrieved content. Another common area is jailbreaking. Here, the attacker tries to bypass the AI's safety controls and content filters, so the model gives responses it normally should refuse. This can involve role-playing, coded language, or multi-turn conversations where the attacker slowly pushes the model past its guardrails. The goal is to see how robust the safety system really is. Data leakage testing checks whether the model can be tricked into revealing sensitive information. That might include its system prompt, internal settings, or in some cases memorized data from training. This is a serious concern because even partial disclosure can reveal how the system works or expose private information that should never come out. AI red teaming also looks at bias and safety. Testers try to elicit toxic, discriminatory, or unfair outputs, especially around protected characteristics like race or gender. This is not only a technical issue but also a responsible AI concern. If a model produces biased or unsafe responses, it can harm users and create legal and reputational problems for the organization. Now that we've covered attack types, let's test what we've learned so far. Here's quiz number 2. See if you can get it right. Question 1. What is the main goal of jailbreaking? The correct answer is to bypass safety guardrails. Jailbreaking aims to push the model into producing content that its safety systems are supposed to block. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of data leakage? The correct answer is, the AI reveals its system prompt. Data leakage involves exposing hidden or sensitive information, such as system prompts or internal configuration. Question 3. Bias and safety testing mainly checks whether the model can produce what kind of outputs? The correct answer is biased, toxic or discriminatory outputs. This testing focuses on harmful responses, especially those related to protected characteristics and responsible AI risks. The article also points to an adversarial process. A key first step is to know your objective clearly. For example, a tester may define the goal as demonstrating a prompt injection weakness. Once the objective is clear, the team can design targeted attacks, observe model responses, and document whether the system resists or fails. This structured approach makes testing more meaningful than random trial and error. The final value of AI red teaming is not just finding flaws, but fixing them before launch. When organizations identify novel risks early, they can improve safeguards, adjust prompts and policies, strengthen monitoring, and build more trustworthy systems. In short, red teaming helps AI move from exciting technology to safer, more reliable real-world deployment. That's the core idea of AI red teaming. If you understood how attackers might manipulate an AI and how teams can test for those risks in advance, you've got the foundation right. Keep learning, keep questioning, and see you in the next lesson.